Hey there, I'm tech lifestyle expert Carly Knobloch. If you're wondering what the next big trends in residential construction are, you are in luck because I'm at the National Association of Home Builders Showcase House in Las Vegas called the New American Home. Let's talk laundry with the LG WashTower. It's got great features and style in half the floor space. The washer detects fabric texture and load size and gets smarter with every load. The dryer is massive and it uses innovative heat pump technology to recycle heated air using half the energy to dry each load. Plus, it's ventless, giving you so many more installation options. I love how sleek the design is and that you can control it all from this easy-to-reach center panel, no need to get up on a step stool. You can find out more about the LG WashTower at lg.com/us/washers-dryers. And to find out more about the New American Home and what I covered today, just head to inthenews.tv.
Or find us on Instagram at InTheNewsTV.